From schools to offices to even doctors' consultation, everything is being done through the internet now. People have found substitutes for all the things they never thought about. It is reshaping our lives in no other ways pictured it. It has made us realize the core essence of technology and all the right uses for it. Vittal Raj, an expert on cybersecurity, said COVID-19 will help achieve the center's sagging digital dream, with the current situation forcing the digitally reluctant and digitally illiterate to break their complacent mindset and take their first step away from the cash habit. The major segments going virtual could be digital events. With coming up of high-quality video and audio conferencing applications, digital events might be highly appreciated and in demand. Globally, conferences, trade shows and even the Olympic have been cancelled or postponed to mitigate the spread of the disease. Some of these events are being respawned as virtual events, which is in the end may not just be a 2020 phenomenon but the new standard for experiences. With lower cost for attendees and promoters and more flexibility in content formats, some events might remain virtual in the future. Microsoft is one of the biggest software companies who have gone digital with respect to events. The software giant was planning on holding its annual developer conference in the Seattle for May 19th to May 21st, but Microsoft has decided to make a digital event. A Microsoft spokesperson mentioned banks going digital. Banks and credit unions must use this time of disruption to consider reinventing themselves from the inside out. Indian banks must create simple applications for all types of customers. Kiosks must be created for digital transaction. This will save cost and will also educate the citizen for better tomorrow. Some organizations may retrench and try to save cost because of the financial stress that results from massive shutdowns caused by COVID-19. Other organizations will go beyond looking for efficiencies to create completely new business models that will impact all components of performances. Right now, there is an opportunity to reevaluate how technology, insight and analytics can accelerate the future growth and competitiveness of financial institutions globally. Private sector banks, HDFC and ICI, have asked customers to use digital means for transaction and said they have reduced their staff in office as a precautionary measure against the spread of coronavirus. For a bank function such as customer services roles, phone banking, HR, corporate office functions, which do not require meeting customers, could be the one to be first considered for remote working. Nearly 20 to 30% of the people can work virtually going ahead, says Vempati, Executive Vice President of the Head Human Resources, Axis Bank. New future for work from home. From having the right technology to having the right mindset, it is important to adjust as quickly as possible and not to use this new reality as the excuse to become unproductive. Work from home can be highly productive because it saves one a lot of time and makes him work in his own zone and comfort. HR heads from a dozen leading corporations include Axis Bank, Bank of Baroda, RPG Group, Vedanta, EY, Cognizant and Titan, Deloitte, Whirlpool, Paytm, signed Govian India, among others, said that virtual workplaces are the future of work. Work from home is there to stay, said Rajkamal Vempati, Executive Vice President and Head Human Resources. Axis Bank Virtual Healthcare. Several governments and hospital systems around the world have leveraged AI-powered sensors supporting triage to sophisticated ways. While we are trying to dampen the spread virus, we can also optimize our technology for it. AI for healthcare must be balanced by the appropriate level of human clinical expertise for the final decision making to ensure we are delivering high quality and safe care.